Hey guys, and welcome to another video on shades. Today we're taking on Act 2 Chapter 3, where I'm supposed to fight this girl over here who has, they just bless him with one of the strongest magics in. If you have ever played Shadow Fight 2, this was the strongest. Well, but that's the boss I have to defeat. Well, I just got a very broken ability. Blocked hits deal full damage. Even if they are blocked, when they block, they do full damage and extra 25. So blocking is just useless. It will just kill you faster. Oh wow, I'm just getting the craziest legendaries. Critical hit has a 10% chance of dealing 500. Oh, thank you. You can just puff out somebody in one strike. But chances of a critical is the problem. And then chances of getting that special critical is also a problem. Okay, I am actually getting bodied right now. Oh, it's been long since I fought a distract cultist. Thank God I saved up my magic for this. Oh, that was fast. Oh, increased crit chance. Now I can actually see my. Oh, why are there too many distract cultists today? Some days I'll not even see one. Now I'm seeing two in a row. Okay, this is. Let's be so painful. I don't know why I wasted my magic there, but come on, it's a destroyer cultist. I had to do something. Increase crit chance. Oh, okay. Why am I meeting all these ones? I could barely find a. I could only get one Punisher cultist once in a run. Full combo. And this is only me that saw that special sign at the back of me. Okay, but anyhow, fine team ready. Ooh, tough one. Survival instincts of unexpected strike or explosion. I'll go unexpected strike. Oh, okay, come on. This guy is. When he hits you on the head, you just knock out. Oh, come on. There's my own magic. And I saw that, I think that's a Japanese symbol of death. This nigga is not getting a free run with me. Okay, I was going. Okay, why is this looking like Super Saiyan? If I just get one hit once. Come on. That his aura heals him. I'm literally seeing him healing up at the background. Come on. That's unfair. And I got the most trashy rewards. Whoa, yeah, thanks for the new notification. It traumatizes you. That's a nice word for it. But let's see what I got. I can forge something. But would this be of any help? Nope. Still running rare loot all around. So I can upgrade this. Can upgrade this. Oh. There's only one thing to do than to go into another run. This is a tough one. Stormfront execution. Stormfront just allows me to just keep hitting combos, and execution just doesn't give them time at all. I'll go Stormfront because me just go. Let me use my weapons. Let me see what to use weapons. Super. Okay, this I cannot. Oh, thank God. I had my shield and I was honestly starting already. Should we? We can wait. Yes, finally. Oh my God, I'm going to see you when it's dead. This is so fucking hard. I guess so. Maybe. Okay, let's switch now. Let's switch. Let's do it. Okay, I guess. What's the hell? No joints? Oh, that's chapter 3. Next video we're going to go and chapter 4.